it, please. Sam, please put it away. All right. On the top of page 223, it says reducing fractions. If you're reducing a fraction, are you multiplying it or dividing it? Dividing. Correct. So yesterday we divided by 2. Today we are reducing fractions by dividing by 3. So if we're going to divide, do we divide it by 3 in the numerator and the denominator?
Yes.
Yes. So, as you can see on the top, in that little box on the very top, is 3/6 divided by 3, both numerator and denominator. What is that? What is 3 divided by 3? Say it out loud. 1. What is 6 divided by 3? 2. So, look at that illustration. 3/6 compared to 1/2. If you got rid of all of the sections on the 3/6, would it look just like the 1/2? Yes. So 3/6 is actually the same as 1/2. Do you see that by looking at the illustrations? All right, so that is an important thing to get used to and to get aware of. What is bigger? The 1/2 or the 3/6?
They're both the same.
I know, but if you were to look at the 1/2 versus the 3/6, Cole,
1/2.
why?
Because it only has 2 parts, so
Yeah.
it's bigger than if it has.
There's less pieces. Very good. It's kind of deceiving. All right, reduce these fractions. So we are going down to number 1A. 3/9 divided by 3. 3 equals what?
1.
What? Well, not 1. What is the fraction?
1/3.
1/3. Correct. What about 6/9 divided by 3? 3.
2/3.
Very good. What about 3/12 divided by 3?
1/4.
Very good. What about 9/12 divided by 3?
3/4.
Very good. So remember, when it tells you to reduce a fraction, you're going to divide. Okay, so it will tell you, are you going to divide by 3 or 2 or 4 or what have you? So if they say divide by 4, are you going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 4? Yes. All right, very good. Let's move down to 2. Solve the story problem. Benjamin has 12 cheese sticks.
Yeah. You.
All right, so friends, how many cheese sticks are in a dozen?
12.
Very good, you need to know that. That he is sharing equally with 2 friends. How many cheese sticks will each boy have? So if we are dividing them and sharing them equally with 2 friends, be careful here. How many people is going to be divided up the 12 cheese sticks? Jonathan.
3.
Yes. Why are there 3? He said 2 friends.
He's also sharing himself.
Very good. Very, very good. So that it is going to be what? What is the mathematical equation going to be, Jonathan? Very good. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So in the story problem, what is going to be included with the 4, Jonathan? Yes. Very good. All right. Get your pens, markers ready if you would like to do some long division with 3 All right. Move my camera. Ella and Jonathan, come on down.
That's pretty loud.
Focus on the whiteboard, not what is going on outside. Now make sure you use your arrows to help you keep everything lined up. Very important. Very good. Oh, check it. Yes, very nice. Very, very good. Very, very good. Bravo. Any questions? Trying to get the best visual for my friends. Ah, I do think that is better. There's a bit of a glare, but looking at it head on, I think is better. All right, any questions concerning these questions? These long division. Good job. Who can see why? Very important to use the arrows when we have 3 dividends. Keep the columns in the right spots. All right, now let's turn the page. Now, we have not really been working with Roman numerals much. And now we are writing Arabic letters. So L. Does anyone have any idea in the Arabic numeral system what L stands for? Owen? No. Tessa?
50.
Yes. L equals 50. Now these are not Roman numerals, these are Arabic. D.
Oh.
Olivia?
100.
No. Winchine?
500.
Yes. Luke?
51.
Just going to write these down. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with these because they're not going to be crucial, but it's kind of fun. All right, so I'm not going to go into great detail. We can write them down. You can have them in your book and use them as references, but we're not spending a lot of time on them. Owen?
2000.
No, 210. I'm just going to write them, and then you're going to have them for reference. Because they're fun, but they're not important to our whole mathematical scheme. But since they are here, we're going to just go over them so you have them in your book. don't even want to go over the Roman numerals. We're just going to keep moving on to it's very interesting though how they use letters versus numbers, is it not?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, here we go. Now we are moving to 6A. If you want to do some multiplication, have your markers ready. Now friends, we need to really focus on these because ironically, a lot of these multiplications are what was wrong on your test. So again, multiplication, multiplication, multiplication. Tessa and M. Oops. Sorry. Goodness sakes. Very nice. How would you say that?
70,776.
Very nice. And how, Tessa, would you say that number?
6,912.
Very nice. Any questions? Yes. All right. We are going to move on to 7. Sure. Get me your book. Okay, so what are we trying to figure out, the hex or the quarts? Jeremiah, hex or quarts? Yes. That said, Christian, would you like to come up and tackle this? All right. So what are you going to do first? Okay. And then what are you going to do on the other side? There you go. Very good. And where is the box going to go? Nice. And why does it go there?
Because there's two different measurements.
Very nice. Very good. So are we going from large to small or small to large? So are we going to add or multiply or divide? We are going to multiply. Very good. Oh, he already had that figured out. So, where did the 72 come from?
Yeah.
Okay, so, but we're not concerned, so you're saying there's 8. Where is the 8 coming from? So how many pecks are in a quart? Does anybody know?
Wasn't it quarts in a pack? 2. 8. Yeah.
No.
It's 4.
Who said that? You're correct. It's 4. Not 8, it's 4. Where in your book does it say it's 8?
So that's how many quarts are in a pack.
So there are 4. So we are working with 4. 72 times 4 is what we are working with. What is 72 times 4? No, not 72 times 4. You're looking at 12 times 4, right? I'm sorry. So we have 12. Now we really mixed up. 4. Oh. So it's not, we are looking at 4. And then we are looking at 12 times 4. Right? So we're working in the box. Hold on a second. What did I do?
Yeah, I was confused.
You guys need. Okay, you know what? This is the deal. Again, my book is different than yours. That is what is going. That's why. Why did he do that? So my book. Interesting. Yeah, yours is different. I wrote from your book, thank goodness. That is not what I have in mine. Ugh, that is annoying. All right, so you guys have 12 bushels and 12 packs, right?
Yeah.
That is not what I have. Let's start over.
Confused.
I know, sorry. See, my book, and sometimes that's why I have to use both because they are not in the same, which I don't understand why you have different variations in the book. Yeah, I know. It's annoying. But I'm always paranoid that I'm writing the wrong things. All right, shall we try it again? All right, we are still looking for what? Ugh, that annoys me. Really, really annoys me. All right. Good. What are you going to do with the other side? There you go. Good. All right. Now, we are talking bushels versus pecks. Are we talking large to small or small to large?
Smaller. Or larger to large.
So we're doing what? Multiplying. Very good. Good. All right, I'm going to move good. Beautiful. Now what are you going to look at?
48 minus 12.
Nice. So write 48 minus 12, just to keep track. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Woohoo! Nice.
We finally got the problem.
I would love, and I don't write to the math book who made, or people who made this book and say, can we please coincide? The math, can we please coincide with the answer keys versus the books for the kids? It's really annoying. That has happened before. All right, this is what I would like for you to do in the remaining of the time. I'm not going to give you homework, but you are going to work on this. Let's do the, well, let's do one of the solve the equations, and then you're gonna work on the page, on the bottom of page 224 where it says homework, where you're gonna reduce these fractions. But let's do one of these because I think it's a valuable thing to keep doing. Follow the signs. And you will notice something in the equation. What is the thing on page 8A that is noticeable that should be telling you something immediately? What am I referring to?
The parentheses.
Yes, the parentheses, friends. What does that tell you to do?
Do it first.
Do it first. All right, this is what you have in your book, correct? What you're
Yeah.
showing. All right.
Yes, we do.
See, now this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Who would like to solve this? Go ahead, Boy, they really did a number. And not the right number. Well, it's 24 divided by 3. Correct. Right, what is 8 plus 8? 16. So you want to write, you're going to want to write that before you continue. There you go. Now, good. There we go. Beautiful. She started with the parentheses first, divided, 24 divided by 3 is 8, and then she went down, 16, which is 16, 16 minus 8 equals 8. Be very helpful if you wrote each individual step down so you don't forget to do something. Because in math, if you forget one step, the whole answer is going to be wrong. Good job. All right, now what I want you to do is, I want you to do B on your own, and then I want you to do the homework section. You do not have to do the multiplication. Actually, you know what? Let's do it. Write out the multiplication and then do reduce the fractions by 2. So you're going to do 8B, 1 and 2. You do not have to, you know what, let's forget about the multiplication so you don't have to write on another sheet of paper. I'm not going to have you turn this in. So let's just do B, 8B. You guys all know your multiplication. If you was a division, I'd probably have had you do it. But, so 8B, and then the homework section, 2A, B, C, and D. You may work on those now. Not going to take them home because we're not doing homework this week.